Hi, this is David and Kelly, and welcome to The Big Question. All right, Cal, we're getting those questions coming in, and I like it. Thank you for sending them. Today, people are wanting to know, when they're selling their home, are open houses necessary?
Well, to sell your home, I don't know that open houses are necessarily necessary. But the goal is to get as many buyers through your house as possible. And not every buyer out there is working with an agent yet. So the way that they're going to be able to come see your home is if they feel comfortable enough to call one of us off of our sign or swing on by an open house because it's available for them to see. So in that regard, I think open houses are a benefit. Necessary, maybe not, but a benefit for sure. And it's something that we do with our listings.
Right. It gives us an opportunity to kind of meet some of the potential buyers for your home.
Yeah.
Yeah, and we also leverage those open houses in our marketing plan.
Sure. It's just one other place how we, push your house in front of people, especially on social marketing platforms to, again, bring more awareness to your house is on the market for sale.
Yeah, love it. Increased visibility is always a good thing.
Yeah.
Great question. Well, if you have another topic for us, feel free to leave us a message. We love the feedback and reading your responses. Well, thank you for joining us today, and stay tuned for the next big question.
See ya.